Life is the greatest gift. Protect and cherish it, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
People are still getting unalive and going missing every day in Jamaica.
Again, Lionfoot. Shout out to each and every one up on the platform, you know. Big up all of my TikTokers, YouTubers, Instagrammers, Facebookers. Saying, give thanks to Life for the greatest gift. Check out that song there, you see me?
Life is the greatest thing. Relish every moment, my brethren and my sister. Because today you there, tomorrow you gone.
Anyone that checking right now, blessings and love and prosperity, you know. May your basket never empty, you see me? Big up all of the well-wishers and the haters. Yes, my people, this is an awareness, reasoning, especially in Jamaica. You know them say there's a reduction in crime, which is good to hear, but people still a drop. You know, people still a drop. People are get unalive. Police are unalive, man. Man and man are unalive them one another. Man and unalive woman. And also, people are still going missing. Now, this is not a fright reasoning to get scared or anything. Just for you guys to be aware. Awareness reasoning, you know. Sorry for the wind in the background. If you hear the wind, chilly now. Ready sunshine, now it's chilly. You know, it's so far, you know. See me? Now we saw a 20-year-old girl went missing, and last week around 3 other people went missing. Young children, young kids, teenagers are still going missing in Jamaica. Now the police them have a in-drive taxi operator under investigation and interrogation. He hasn't been charged yet. You know what I mean? I learned of the news from On The Spot News Media. Then we see it in our paper. People are still going missing. When they use the in-drive taxi them, or a share ride or whatever, make sure you alert a family member or a friend. Make them know where you go. Or turn on your location, your tracker or something. Walk with some, you know, something to defend yourself. It's better if that go on, you know, you die trying, you know, more than them just take away like that and nothing you can't defend yourself. Walk with some spray in your bag or something, acid or just for defense. You see me? Because people are still going missing. Remember I said, that thing, the cult thing is a big thing in Jamaica. Remember say, organs for sale is a big thing in Jamaica. The crucifixion thing, sacrifice thing is a big thing in Jamaica. The trafficking is a big thing in Jamaica. So when I see people are going missing, yeah, sometimes a young girl might go missing and she got her little boyfriend and have her little time, you know. But most of the people that are going missing in Jamaica, are one of them reasons why they are going missing. When I take them away, and I do what them for do. Organs are sell, organs are buy, people overseas are buy, you know? Yeah. So, when you just be careful. Warn your kids, them, warn your brother, your sister. And the young girl, the latest victim, missing female, she's in UWI. It's a University of the West Indies student, 20 years old. So it's alarming and it won't stop, you know. You see where the One little girl go missing and then we find her. The auntie must see her try bring her to the pastor for them going with them crucifixion thing. And when them find the picking at the house, them buck up on other three siblings, three toddlers that were there. Who is not registered in the school system. They now go to school, them not register nothing. So what do I do with them picking there? Where the parents them there? And this is an auntie, you know. Now the auntie and the pastor, everybody get charged. You see me? So that goes to show it's a big thing in Jamaica. Then when you take the taxi them, be careful. If you're unsure, don't go into the taxi. You see me? You know, no one can afford a vehicle, you know? I don't want to share ride or something, but you know, just be careful because it's wicked out there. Yeah man, it's wicked out there man. You see me? All of them things that are going on in Jamaica. You can't believe what's Jamaica go on. You see me? Well, you know, things and time change and just to make money, we say contract killing is a thing now where it becomes the norm now, you know? I mean, you do any little thing just to go do that, we get our money. You see me? And another life gone, another soul gone. You know, the man of peace, you know, and I love what we say, you know. You see me? But yeah, the missing thing are going to get, it's still carrying on, ongoing. It's just that enough of them now make the news. You see me? Enough of them not making the news. But enough people still are going missing, man. You see me? That's why I say, tell me how you do it. Rape a bull, tell me how you sleep. Who know a rape and a laugh the female, them who know wicked and a bambaglit. Tell me how you do it. Murderer, tell me how you sleep. Give a wife just throw, she give her the gold. Left her families a weep. Self-proclaimed so-called gangster. Who know one of bad people, who know is a monster. Lord, the school girls, them make them prosper. You may attack, imposter. The fake cabman we a kill off the female them. Bring them go a bush, go rape and that me not condone it, me condemn. Question for the waste man them. Yo, me say tell me. Yes man, so this is just an awareness reasoning. Say, you know, Lion Foot, the man of peace. Big up everybody, you know. Don't forget to like and share the content. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And you see what I say? Yeah man, if you want to sponsor the channel. You don't know. A solid reasoning, man. Remember to tell your sister, your kids, be careful. Don't accept no lift from no one. Don't talk to strangers. You know, you leave school, you come find your way straight back home. You leave work, make your family them know say you're on your way home, and you just jump on a bus, the taxi or something. If I even take the license plate and then send it to somebody, your family member, when you're in the taxi. Taxi man, them never know say you take them license plate. Try to take the license plate first or capture it in your brain. And when you're in your car now, you just go and type and say you're in the taxi. You see me? So your family them can know your whereabouts and have a clue. You see it? Because it's wicked out there, man. You see me I say? Yeah man, I love and blessings, man. Big up on yourself. Saying? And stay safe out there and take care of the man of peace. Oh, the man of Allah Selassie. Please, yeah, I'm gonna check out my song. Life is the greatest gift. See? Yeah, I just released a brand new track from Jablas, Rich Badness. You see me, so? Give the support, man. Give the support. You have a song now, what is wrong with humanity? Reggae music. We say reggae are forward back. Big up Cargo. We say Cargo find a song, hit again. 2 times. See? Check out Bonnie and Clyde. Nice song, man. Nice song for the couples, them, you know? For the man that have planned to propose to the woman, you know what I mean? Nice song, you know? Yeah, man. I love you, you love me, we're in love like Bonnie and Clyde. I've got your back, don't you worry, never leave your side. Girl, I love you so badly, will you marry me? Check it out, see? Blessed love. Yeah, man, big up on yourself and take care. Be safe out there. Said, that's how we keep it real on the battlefield. Thank you all for your continuous support. I'm out. Not another word out of me out.
I give thanks for life. Every day I open my eyes. I pray to the Lord while I watch the sunrise. I let him know that